Hi guys, to receive these really nice earbuds, these are the SoundPEATS GoFree2 wireless earbuds, and I think they're really nice. Let's go open it and see what's inside.
When we open the box, first thing we see is the main unit, which I think it's really nice. We take it out and we see both earbuds, and as you can see, they are really nice. They have this over the ear design, which I think it's perfect. In this part we have the other one. They both have this design because they are over the ear. This is what goes over it, and they are really nice. On the far side of the box, we have this little envelope that when we take it out, we can open it. And once we open it, we find the user manual. Inside of it, we can find all the configurations that we need to use the earbuds, which I think it's really nice. It also indicates us all the buttons and how they work. Okay, so now let's go ahead and use them.
So we are gonna take them and put it like this into our ear. As you can see, they fit really nice, and just the same with the other one. Now I'm gonna test them with some music, okay? Okay, so you have here my computer. Let's connect them to the Bluetooth. So now I'm trying them on. They feel really nice. They listen actually really good. I'm gonna turn up the volume. By pressing it one time, we can turn the volume up with this side, and with the right side we can turn it down, which I think it's really nice because it gives you more control without having to take out your cell phone, or if you're in the laptop, without having to control it directly with the laptop. So as I've said, they are really nice, and as it's not like a regular earbud that you put inside your ear, this can help you to listen to your surroundings. And if you want to get yourself a pair of these GoFree2 SoundPEATS earbuds, it's a really nice time because right now they are having a special where these earbuds go with a 38% off when you buy them, okay? And they also have different models on specials, so you can get whatever one you want. So I'm gonna link them in the descriptions so you can select whichever ones you like. As I've said, they are really nice, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.